In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. To do that with Tricky's navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Now tap on the icon of your app and select Open in split screen view. Lastly, tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!